Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to attach canvas to a frame. First, lay your canvas face down on a clean, flat surface. Position your assembled stretcher frame directly in the center of the canvas. Make sure the canvas extends beyond the frame by at least 2 inches on all sides. This extra material is crucial for proper stretching and stapling. Begin by placing one staple in the center of one long side of the frame. Then, move to the opposite long side, pull the canvas firmly, and place another staple in its center. Repeat this process for the 2 shorter sides. Continue stapling outwards from the center, always pulling the canvas taut and alternating sides to ensure even tension across the entire surface. Once the sides are stapled, it's time to tackle the corners. Fold the canvas at each corner, creating a neat, mitered edge. Pull the excess canvas tightly over the corner and secure it with 2 or 3 staples. Ensure there are no wrinkles or bulges. Finally, trim any significant excess canvas from the back, leaving about 1/2 inch beyond the staples for a tidy finish. For the best results, always use sturdy stretcher bars that won't warp over time. Consistent tension is key to preventing sagging, so take your time during the stretching process. Working in good light helps you spot any imperfections. Remember, canvas keys can be inserted into the corner slots to slightly expand the frame, tightening the canvas if it ever loosens.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.